everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel and Happy New Year to everybody. Hopefully everybody had a awesome new year and welcome the new year in high spirits. I actually woke up New Year's Day at 6 in the morning and started traveling home at 7 in the morning. So I was on the road to my home all New Year's Day. I had to come home already. It was awesome having to spend some time with my mom, helping her out. It was really tough the first few weeks, but she is doing so well. She's healing very well. She is only very limited. She cannot bend her knee. She can't even step on her foot yet. So she still has quite a ways of recovery. They did say because my mom has diabetes and I can't even say the other word. It has to do with the bone for I can't even say it. I can't even think of it right now. It's really late. I just opened all this Happy Mail and I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't even do a Happy New Year's video. So this is my Happy New Year's video. And oh, I was saying that my mom's recovery, they were saying that it could take from anywhere from to a year, from what, 12 months to 18 months for her to fully recover. And that's if she even fully recovers. She might have to limp or use a cane for walking. So we'll see. Hopefully everything goes well. She is doing very well right now. Of course, she is saddened that I had to leave, as I was saddened that I had to leave her in that condition. But she does have my other siblings that are there to help her out, as well as her husband. But the tough part was the first few weeks for her, as it was for everybody else. But like I said, she is doing well. So I wanted to come over and say Happy New Year's to everybody, and hopefully everybody had a wonderful Christmas and a wonderful New Year. And I'm so glad to have opened all this Happy Mail. It really brought a smile to my face. Today is what, Saturday? Yeah, so I'll probably be uploading this video right away. My opening of the Happy Mails, I will do that during the week, so it's not gonna, be all like back to back, because I do want to have content for you guys to see, and I do apologize it's late. But anyways, as you guys know, I wasn't home. So anyways, as you guys could see, I know I did a video on my new YouTube name. Hopefully you guys like it. And again, it is Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. And I still have to get used to it. So you guys will see on my videos that I did these. I had to recorrect myself, or like I had to rethink. So anyways, thank you everybody. And we'll see you guys on our videos. There's so much content that me and Tree are working on. And surprises, and oh my goodness. Anyways, well, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now. And hopefully if you have not subscribed to our channel, or you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I would love to have you on board, and it doesn't hurt just to subscribe. Anyways, again, I will see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.